everybody, welcome to another review. Now today we'll be testing the Microsoft Security Essentials, which is a free antivirus from Microsoft. It's free for all Windows users, so you can just get it at their website. I'll just show you that it's up to date. Now the interface is pretty simple, as you can see, just 4 tabs and whoops, I guess I'll restart, then that's gonna work. But anyway, we can just take a look at their interface first. Now as you can see, they've got behavior monitoring as their zero-day protection. Now it may seem that this is signature-based protection, but it's not. It's got a behavior monitoring. As you can see, they've got an option here. And they've also got a cloud that is the Microsoft Spynet. So there you go, I've selected the basic membership and we're connected and all ready to go. Now I just wanted to show you guys that it's up to date, but I guess I have this issue on my virtual machine that when I try to go back to a snapshot, this kind of happens. So anyway, I'll just reboot and it'll be fine. So I'll be back when it's done rebooting. There you go, as you can see, I'm just running the update here and we'll just get kill switch started here while this is working. There you go, it's up to date, so I guess that's okay. And now I'll just close this and I'll just start up kill switch so that we can see the files running. And we've got some nasty stuff here, some links and some files, as we always do. And first we'll try out the links. Okay, so we've got kill switch started up here, so let's just hide the performance graphs and also the save process so that we'll see what Komodo detects of this malware. So first we'll try out the first one. I think this one says use Trojan. And we'll just run it. And there you go, Security Essentials has detected a potential threat. So I'll just hit clean computer. Now I like this form of alert that is pretty simple. As you can see, just one button, clean computer. Doesn't tell me to mess with what to do, quarantine, remove, delete, all sorts of stuff that can confuse a simple user, but this alert was pretty simple, so I like that. Now this is the second one. We'll just run it and we'll see if it appears in kill switch. Okay, here we go. It looks like it's being analyzed right now. Doesn't seem to be detected by Security Essentials. Still analyzing, so I guess we'll try out the next one. Okay, now this one's being analyzed as well. And there you go, it's doing something, and it's made a service of its own, which is not very good at all. And it looks like it's terminated Internet Explorer and it started another one. So this file seems very suspicious, but kill switch so far hasn't given it any rating. Now this one's given an unknown rating here, the first one. Now there you go, it's changed some settings, I guess, in Internet Explorer. So certainly a piece of malware, but maybe it's too fresh, so it's not there in the signatures of Security Essentials. Strange that the behavior monitoring didn't get it though. Oh, looks like I've got the same one twice. Anyway, I think we've got 11 or 12 links, so it should be fine. This one's still running in the background. Let's try the next one here while this one's working. Okay, looks like this is dead. That's pretty strange because these were alive just a few moments ago. Well, am I still connected to the internet? That's what I'm wondering right now. That's pretty strange here. So it looks like I've lost my connection to the internet, which is pretty strange because my modem's still working. Maybe it's because of this piece of malware. Yeah, I guess that's what's causing the problem here. Let's try starting Internet Explorer again and see if it connects to Google. Doesn't seem to be doing that. There you go, it's not connecting. So I guess I'll just restart and I'll be back whenever I get this internet connection working. I guess I'll have to terminate this to do that. Okay, so I got my internet working again. Probably the file that was running was a fake AV and it's trying to block down access. So anyway, we'll keep trying the rest of the links. And as you can see, it's up to date and it's protecting the system. So let's see what happens. This one wants administrator privileges. And it stopped working for some strange reason. Anyway, we'll just continue with our test. We'll run this. Okay, now this is a decent sized installer. So it's probably some adware, guess. Now there you go, this one is some strange piece of adware. Just close it. We'll run this as well. Security Essentials isn't giving me any alerts. I think the only alert I got was on the first or second file. So it's pretty strange. All of these are really fresh malware. And some of these might be false positives. I'm not sure because got a lot of these from malcode. This one seems to be a piece of adware. Okay, now again it's found something, so I'll hit clean computer here. I think it wanted me to restart, but I guess I'll just complete this test and then we're gonna restart here. There you go. So we'll run this application as well. Looks like Trojan. And it's been detected, so we'll hit clean computer. So this one more application, and then we're off with the last one. So I'll run this and we'll see what happens, and this one seems to be detected as well, so I'll hit clean computer. I think we'll fail to run that. So whatever all this stuff was, I'll just open up Security Essentials now. It did catch a lot of threats, so I'll just do a quick scan and I'll be right back when the scan is done, and then we'll just do the regular stuff, a scan with Komodo Cleaning Essentials, then Malwarebytes, Hitman Pro, all that stuff. So first I'll do the quick scan and I'll be right back. Welcome back everybody. I didn't do the quick scan because we hadn't finished testing the file, so I kind of forgot that. So I'll just disable the real time here. And then we're just going to extract this malware to my desktop, and then we're going to do a right-click scan. Now this folder contains, I guess, 271 pieces of malware. It's all pretty new, just from yesterday. There you go, 271. So I'll enable the real time back again. And then I'm going to do a right click scan, and I'll be right back when scan is done. Okay, so the scan's done and it's found some threats here, so I'll just hit clean computer again. And there you go, it automatically selects a recommended action. So looks like it's selected to disinfect many threats. So this is good to see that they do have a disinfect feature. But there you go, this is the solidity, so it's selected to disinfect. But the problem with disinfect is basically the fact that it might mess up our calculations. So let's just see the number of threats that it's going to disinfect. In fact, we've got quite a lot of threats that are going to be disinfected, so I guess I'll just have to see what we've got left over and then try to subtract some from that, because it's disinfecting a lot of files and that's not its fault. It's actually taking care of them in a better way. But the only thing is it might not reflect on our results, but it should. So I guess I'll subtract the number of disinfected files, which is right now around 15, I guess. So I'll be right back when the cleaning is done. Okay, so as you can see, Microsoft can remove some of the threats. Now I can't help that. Okay, now it's telling me to send some stuff, I'll send it. So I guess that's about it. So we've got 88 items left over here. I don't think it's telling me to do anything else. Yeah, it is kind of. Whoa, that's strange. Seems to be trying to remove. Okay, this is some of the leftover stuff from last time. So I guess I'll remove it and then we'll just count the number of misses. So let's just open up calculator here. There you go, everything's applied. You get the green light. But 80 items are still sitting there, so okay, looks like it found something else with the real time. So I guess I'll let it sit around here for some time, because their cloud might detect some more threats that was missed by their scanners. Doesn't seem to be detecting anything else, so we've still got 80 items. So 271. Okay, it looks like it's found something else again. So it looks like their cloud is detecting some stuff. So I guess I'll let it run around for some time and then I'll be right back. Okay, so the cloud seems to have done a pretty good job. Now we're left with only about 65 items. So we'll do the maths here. Okay, so we're getting a detection rate of about 76%, which is pretty decent on these files. It's not bad. It's not great, but it's pretty good. So let's try running some of these and we'll see what kind of defenses. Okay, it looks to have found something else. Okay, now this is some kind of problem here. I think I've removed this file 3 times and it's still finding it again and again, so it basically can't remove this file. So there you go, it's applied now. Hopefully it doesn't come back on again. Anyway, so we'll just try run some of these and see what happens. Let's see how their behavior monitoring responds to some of these threats. This is a piece of adware. There you go. It's going to install some toolbar, change my search settings, stuff like that. So it's certainly a piece of adware. Okay, this is another piece of adware. So I guess that's about it. We've run quite some files. Now we can't run many files, and the reason for that is simple. Some part of those have been removed. So all of this seems to be adware of the same type, so I don't see much of point in installing this. So I guess I'll be back when at least 2 of these installs are done. I guess I'll cancel this one because I'm not going to wait 12 hours for this. So I'll just let both of these installers finish and then we're going to run, I'll restart, I'll run CCleaner and then I'm going to run Komodo Cleaning Essentials and I'll be back with the results. No, I guess first I'll do a quick scan with Microsoft Cleaning Essentials. So I'll be back when scan is done. Welcome back, guys. As you can see, Cleaning Essentials finished a smart scan and it's found one thing. And that is some modification to the hosts. Now, this is some system modification. It's not any file, so I'll just apply the repair option. And then I'll hit exit. So, okay, I kind of forgot to show you guys that scan completed the quick scan and it didn't find anything. There you go, it's completed the quick scan, no threats were detected. So now we'll just run Malwarebytes and I'll be right back when the Malwarebytes scan is done. Welcome back, everybody. As you can see, Malwarebytes just finished scanning and it didn't find anything, which is surprising. So I just ran Hitman Pro and this is what it found. Now first you'll be looking at this cancelled by user. I did this because it's kind of stuck, couldn't upload them. And this was just in temp files and this is basically the same program as this. So I don't think if this is malware or not makes a big difference because it's already been detected. There you go, in the same folder. So it's basically a part of this malware infected program. So there you go. This one's been detected by all the three major engines. That's GData, Dr. Web, and Icarus. So this is certainly a piece of malware that we've got in temp files. It's a Trojan. Now this is another piece of malware. I'm pretty sure it's a piece of malware because when I was installing this, certainly some strange things did happen. So it's been detected only by Dr. Web, and so is this one. So it does look like, I mean, I didn't see an MCSoft signature in any of these, which is strange, but certainly I'm going to call them malware today, just because a lot of suspicious things did happen, like I lost my internet connection and stuff like that. So certainly some of these are malware. So I guess we'll just remove them. No, I'll just let it be. Don't want to mess with the activation again. So about security essentials, it did pretty decent. It didn't do bad at all. I mean, these were all 0-day files, and as you saw, even Malwarebytes did not succeed in finding a lot of stuff. And Komodo was only able to detect one stuff with its smart scan, whatever. So having signatures for files like these is pretty tough, because they're less than 12 hours old. But here, if we see, they have got behavior monitoring, and this should have done better, what I feel. Other than that, I think it did pretty decent. So certainly, if you're looking for a free AV, first try out the Microsoft product, because it's pretty fast. Let's just check out the memory usage. There you go, this piece of malware is running in memory. Well, where is that anti-malware service? There you go. It's using about 25 megabytes right now, but it's, well, falls down quite a lot. I've seen that. So it's not too heavy on the system. It's light. It's pretty decent. It's got a few features like behavioral blocking, cloud, and the cloud is certainly doing pretty good right now. So you can try this out. It's not bad for a free application. Certainly has some loopholes, but I guess it's okay. So it did pretty decent. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Have a good day and goodbye.